Hi, Jacob. Your post was very interesting, so I decided to review it. Entrepreneurship is a true gamble. Sometimes people are successful and they become great entrepreneurs. Other times the market just isn't ready, like you said. Everyone is unique, and with unique ideas, sometimes comes innovation or sometimes the ideas fail. I also think it is wonderful that a lot of entrepreneurs are either Christians or they have Christian-like characters. Henry Ford wasn't a Christian per se, but he was religious in a way. He also treated his employees tolerably with a decent wage. Automobiles did help to make America great. Just think of the transportation of goods. If cars were not streamlined like in Henry Ford's factories, then the transportation of goods and people across America would not have happened so rapidly. I believe that God planned for America and entrepreneurial innovation to happen like it did. I believe that because God wanted what was best for us, and He has been pushing us in good directions for a very long time. It says so in Jeremiah 29:11, after all. Thank you, Jacob.